I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you two very interesting questions based on distance formula. The question here is the point A, x1, is 5 units from point 26. Find a possible value or values of x. That is first question. Second is very similar. It is the point B, x3, we have changed the y value, is 5 units from the given point 26. Find a possible value or find possible values of x, right? You can pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestions. Well, the formula for distance is that distance is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So that's the formula for distance. Now we can directly apply this distance formula and get the result. Now if distance is this, we can find square of the distance. We are given 5 units from the point, so I could write instead of d square. So we could write this as 5 square. So I'm squaring both sides and we get the value x minus 2, difference of their x values, whole square, plus y, which is 1, minus 6 whole square, correct? So we get this, that is to say 5 square equals to x minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5, so I'll write minus 5 square. Now minus 5 square is 25, this is also 25, correct? So what do we get here? So basically we could write this as 25 equals to x minus 2 whole square plus 25, correct? Now bringing 25 here gives me 0, correct? So taking it to the right side, I have 0 equals to x minus 2 whole square, and that gives me one solution, which is x minus 2 is equals to 0, and that is possible when x is equals to 2. So in this particular scenario, we get one answer, which is x equals to 2, correct? Now, is this the only possible value? You have to work this out. We'll talk about it after doing the second one. Okay. The second one here is the point B is 5 units from point 26. Find possible values of x. Well, you can pause the video, answer this question, and then look into my suggestions. I'll follow the same method. Instead of d, we are using d squared. So basically, I'm squaring this, right? And when you square this, the formula becomes same without square root, right? Whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Simple as that. So avoid complications. D square is, distance is 5 units. So we'll writing 5 square as we did before. And x minus x2, which is 2 whole square plus, this time y value is different. It is 3 instead of 1, 3 minus 6 whole square. Okay, so 5 square is 25 equals to x minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 6 is minus 3 whole square. That gives us 25 equals to x minus 2 whole square, and that is plus 9. Bringing 9 to this side, we get 25 minus 9 equals to x minus 2 whole square. And now let me take it to the right side and then solve. Okay, right. So what do we get? We get x minus 2 whole square is equal to 25 minus 9, which is 16. So I can say x minus 2 is square root of 16. Whenever you do square root, don't forget to write plus and minus, and that's the reason for values, okay? So which is basically plus and minus 4. So we get x is equals to 2 plus minus 4. So we get two possible solutions. X could be 2 plus 4, which is 6, or 2 minus 4, which is minus 2, right? So these are the two possible solutions for the second case. Now the question for you is, why do we get one solution and here we get two solutions? Why do you think that is the result, right? Well, let's look into it. So basically, we are talking about, let's make a sketch here. We're talking about a point 26. Let's take this point as, okay, let this be the ink. Fine. So let's say this is 1, this is 2, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are talking about this point 26. Now, we were given the other point as y value of 1, right? And we found that the answer was 2. So therefore, so the point A basically is 2, 1. So this was the point A, correct? Now, the distance here is 5 units, right? So this is, let me call this as point B. Let me call this point as P. Okay, so P to A distance is 5 units. It's a vertical distance, as you can see. Perfect. Now, in the second scenario, we were actually given the value of B, where the y value was, y value was 3, right? So 3 means we are at, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. We were kind of here. Now, if you are in this situation, then 5 units, as you can see very clearly, could be like this. This could be 5 units, or that could be 5 units. So we have two possible solutions. So thinking about a circle, you can say, right? So circle which will intersect a horizontal line at 2 points. So basically, it is horizontal line intersecting the circle at 2 points, right? Circle at 2 points. So I hope the concept is clear to you. So if it is vertically up or vertically down, or even horizontally, in that case you are going to get one result, but all other points you should be expecting 2. Perfect. So that is the reason why you have one solution for the first one and 2 for the second one. So I hope that helps. Feel free to write your comments, share your views, and if you like and subscribe, that'd be great. Thank you and all the best.